If you trade the S&P today without seeing this, you're probably going to be donating money. Now, the real assessment for today is the fact that we've just retested the low of a really big move lower. So in general, we're looking for two scenarios. The first one being that we're going to go all the way back up to retest this prior high. But first we need some sort of two variation off this low because momentum is clearly so bearish right now. So I'd really love to see us pull back one more time before breaking out all the way back up to this prior high, which is right here at 7,000, let's just say 5, okay? That is the green and bull case scenario for today's session. Now, there is one more pathway, to be quite honest with you, and that's the fact that we could be in a range here. Now, if you look at it now, you can see that we have some sort of midpoint for the range. Now, using this as a standard deviation both above and below, it kind of helps us sculpt the landscape of where the market should be finding some support, which is this supportive structure right here, and then also where it should be finding some resistance, which would be, arguably somewhere right in here. So with that being said, you can see we're kind of just consolidating to the right hand side in a bearish nature. So that would actually kind of dictate to the fact that we should push up higher to some degree and then find rejection to come back to the downside, okay? Now I know it's counterintuitive to what I just said prior, but that is why there is a bear and a bull case scenario, okay? So be on the lookout for this overall move here highlighted in red if we're going to continue in this range. Now, if you want to be a buyer in this situation, just be aware that all we need to do first is just get underneath this low, and then you can look for some sort of twin variation to be a bull, okay? Now, we can go directly lower, so you may have an opportunity here earlier on in the session to go long. So just keep your options open as you view the market. And yeah, I think that's just about it. So again, we can go directly lower, just like this, looking for buying opportunities off that low. All right. So be safe, trade safe, everyone. And I'll see you all on the next candle.